Pollution. Trans fats and sugar are examples of processed foods that may be harmful to health. Cleaning the inside of your body is equally as vital as exfoliating the outside. In today's video, we'll be discussing 9 great fruits that naturally cleanse your body. Number 1. Berries. Do you usually include berries in your diet? They taste good on their own as well. They complement smoothies, ice cream, and yogurt balls nicely. They can be eaten frozen as well. They will taste excellent whether or not you follow this procedure. The nicest thing is having so many varieties of berries to select from. Strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries are rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Consider including these berries in your diet because they are a great source of fiber and vitamin C. Number 2. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It is true, even though it might sound cliche at this point. Expert recommended apples for a purpose. Simply put, they are nutrient-rich. It is very easy to incorporate apples into your diet. They work well during breakfast. Think about making an apple-strawberry salsa. Apples with cinnamon and noodles is a great combination. There are several easy ways to eat an apple. This fruit has multiple applications. Apples are a rich source of 4 powerful antioxidant kinds that support immunity, stave off illness, and delay the aging process. These antioxidants also aid in cleansing your body. Apples also include malic and tartaric acids, which improve the efficiency of your digestive system. The best way to eat an apple is raw, with the skin on. The skin itself has a lot of vitamin C and fiber. Number 3. Lemon. It is not necessary to add lemon water. This popular drink is well renowned for its ability to help your body detoxify. When added, it also improves the flavor of your drinks. Although their high in vitamin C content is widely known, lemons provide additional health benefits. They can help relieve your stomach problems and support colon cleansing. The best approach to enjoy the advantages of lemon is to drink them first thing in the morning with warm water and an empty stomach. Number 3. Pineapple. When eaten uncooked, individuals help reduce inflammation. For this reason, if you have arthritis, pineapple is a fruit you just have to eat. Pineapple also helps with injury healing and recuperation from post-workout fatigue. You can definitely eat a few slices after working out with weights. There's more reason to incorporate pineapple into your diet. They include a crucial enzyme called bromelain, which helps your body break down proteins. Ultimately, it helps with digestion, making it easier for your digestive system to absorb proteins from food. Like other fruits, pineapple should always be consumed fresh off the vine. The high concentration of sugar, chemicals, and preservatives in canned pineapple reduces its nutritional value. Bromelain is not present in canned pineapple. Number 4. Papaya. Another delicious fruit on the list with a high nutritious content is the papaya. It makes it easier for the body to break down the proteins in food. This time though, the enzyme is different. The health advantages of papaya and bromelain are comparable. Papaya is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, and it also gives you a lot of potassium and magnesium. Papaya is the ideal fruit to consume when you have a cold because of all these nutrients. Number 5. Pomegranate. Eating pomegranates may appear difficult at first, but even the peeling process can be difficult. This shouldn't stop you from eating one though. Pomegranates contain an abundance of nutrients. You also get a lot more nutrition. You'll need more than one of these fruits to make 1 glass of pomegranate juice. That's how the extra nutrition in pomegranate juice ended up helping you. It provides an abundance of antioxidants, reduces inflammation inside the body, protects against multiple cancers linked to Alzheimer's disease, and aids in cholesterol regulation. Number 7. Avocado. If there were a competition for healthiest fruit, avocados would win hands down. This fruit is becoming more and more popular every day despite being healthy and high in fat. All thanks to its mouth-watering taste and plenty of antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Every avocado has the right ingredients: potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Both your heart and brain must be healthy. Whether you consume them raw or blended into a smoothie, avocados ought to be a regular part of your diet. Avocados are rich in nutrients and also contain an anti-inflammatory compound. It also helps to reduce the risk of getting some types of cancer. Unquestionably one of the best superfoods out there. Number 8. Coconut water. Coconut water is a pleasant, sweet, low-calorie beverage. You should think about switching to it from your sodas. This incredible drink helps your body recuperate after an intense workout, mostly due to the electrolytes it provides. Not only is coconut water a wonderful drink, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Because of its high potassium concentration, it's great for detoxification. Coconut water might help your body recover from bloating caused by water retention. With the help of coconut water, your body eliminates extra water that it has stored. It also helps with weight loss when you swap it out for sugar-filled sodas. Number 9. Watermelon. If someone encouraged you to eat a tasty, refreshing fruit in order to lose weight, wouldn't it be amazing? Since watermelon is a fantastic fruit that can assist you in achieving your objective, this juicy fruit's rich water, fiber, and mineral content helps to make summers bearable. This fruit is rich in iron, calcium, fiber, and vitamin A. Although it is low in calories, watermelon restores bodily fluids, aids in digestion. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below, have you ever attempted organ-specific detoxification? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.